Ugh, Mia, I am so tired today.
Oh no, you too?
Seriously, I think my bed has like a special gravity field this morning. I just could not get out of it.
A gravity field. I know that feeling. I hit the snooze button on my alarm like 5 times.
5? That's it? I think I was in a negotiation with my alarm clock. I was like, okay, just 10 more minutes, please.
So, did you win the negotiation?
No, the alarm clock always wins. But yeah, I just feel lazy, you know? I have so much to do, but all I want to do is sit on the sofa and watch videos.
Totally. My brain is like, let's be productive, and my body is like, no, let's not. It's a real struggle.
Exactly.
You know, this whole feeling, it's actually a really great topic for today.
Oh yeah? Is the topic how to stay in bed forever? Because I would love to learn about that.
Almost. Welcome, everyone, to Smart English Hub. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. And today I am very, very sleepy.
I can see that. But we have a great phrase to talk about today, and it's perfect for days like this. It's don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Ooh, that sounds deep. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Okay, what does that really mean? It sounds good, but I'm not sure I get it.
It's a great question. I think of it like this. Tired is a feeling. It's your body or your mind saying, I need a break. But done is a result. It's when the task is finished.
Okay, so tired is a feeling and done is a fact.
Exactly. We often mix them up. We feel tired, so we decide we're done. But the task isn't finished yet. The idea is to listen to your feeling of being tired, but don't let it be the boss.
I think my feelings are the boss of me about 99% of the time.
I think that's true for most of us. Let's think about a real example. Studying English.
Oh, a perfect example, yes.
So you plan to study for 30 minutes, but after 10 minutes, you feel tired. Your brain says, okay, that's enough. You want to check your phone, watch a video.
This is me. This is my life story.
So at that 10-minute mark, you are tired. That's the feeling. But you are not done. The goal was 30 minutes, so you push a little more. Maybe you say, okay, just 5 more minutes. And then after that, maybe another 5.
And then suddenly, you've studied for 20 or 25 minutes. It's not 30, but it's much better than 10.
Yes, exactly. It's about not letting that first I'm tired feeling stop you completely. It works for other things too, like cleaning the house.
Oh no, don't even talk about cleaning the house. My kitchen sink right now, it's a situation.
Okay, well, think about it. After dinner, you look at the dirty dishes, you feel tired from your day. The last thing you want to do is wash them.
Mm-hmm. But I say, I'll do it in the morning. Every time.
And how does morning Alex feel about that decision?
Morning Alex is very annoyed with last night Alex. He thinks last night Alex is lazy.
I know that feeling, but imagine if last night Alex said, okay, I'm tired, but the kitchen is not done, and he just washes the dishes. It takes, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
Then in the morning, you walk into a clean kitchen, and that feeling is amazing. You feel proud, you feel happy.
Okay, that's true. Waking up to a clean kitchen is one of the best feelings in the world. It's like a gift to your future self.
It is. You chose the feeling of pride tomorrow over the feeling of comfort tonight. When you stop when you're done, you often get a much better feeling later. It's like a good investment.
That makes sense. It's the difference between feeling regret and feeling proud. I often feel regret when I give up too early, like with exercise.
Oh, exercise is a big one.
Yeah, I'll go for a walk, and my plan is to walk for 30 minutes. But after 15 minutes, my legs feel a bit tired and I think, okay, that's good enough, and I go home.
But you're not really that tired, are you? It's more you're a little bored. You want to stop.
Exactly. It's not like I'm gonna collapse. I just want to be on my couch again.
Right, so what if you said, I'll just walk to that next tree, or I'll just walk to the end of this song on my headphones?
That's a good idea. That makes it feel smaller.
And that's the real secret here, breaking it down. Big goals are scary. A big goal like clean the whole house makes you feel tired just thinking about it.
Yes, or learn English. It's so huge. Where do you even start? It's intimidating.
Right, but what if the goal isn't clean the house? What if the goal is put the books back on the shelf? That's it, just that one thing.
Okay, I can do that. That's easy.
And after you do that, you might think, okay, that wasn't so bad. Now I'll just wipe the table. You take one small step, then another, and another. Soon the house is clean.
It's the just one more thing idea.
Exactly. It's less scary. Just one more page of the book. Just write one more email. Just learn one more new word. Anyone can do one more thing.
I like that. It feels much more possible. So it's not about being a superhero who is never tired. It's about being smart and taking small steps.
You've got it. And there's another important part. The reward.
Ah, now we're talking. A cookie? Ice cream?
It can be. But the best reward is rest itself. Think about it. When you stop early and sit on the sofa, are you really relaxing?
Not really. In the back of my mind, I'm thinking about the dishes or the work I didn't finish. There's a little bit of guilt.
Exactly. It's not true rest. But when you finish the task, when you are done, and then you sit on the sofa, that rest feels amazing. It's earned.
Ah, it's guilt-free relaxation.
Yes, you've turned rest into a reward, not an escape. That feeling of being tired after you finish something important is a good kind of tired. It's satisfaction.
The good tired. I know that feeling. After a long day of productive work, or after you finally cleaned the entire apartment, you feel exhausted, but in a really great way.
That's the feeling we are aiming for. So maybe we can give our listeners a few simple, practical tips to remember this.
Okay, let's do it. Tip number 1?
I'd say the first tip is remember your why. Why are you doing this task? You're not just washing dishes, you are creating a clean kitchen for tomorrow morning.
Right. You're not just studying English. You are working towards a goal, maybe getting a better job or talking to new friends. Remembering the big reason can give you energy.
Exactly. Okay, a second tip would be what we just talked about. Make it small.
The just one more trick. Don't think about the whole task, just think about the next small step. Just wash one cup. Just read one paragraph.
Perfect. And the third tip is plan your reward. Know what you will do after you are done. After I finish this chapter, I will make a nice cup of tea and watch my favorite show.
Having something to look forward to is super motivating. It gives you a finish line to run towards.
It really does. So to bring it all together, this isn't about working all the time and never resting. It's about resting at the right time.
So what I'm getting from this chat is when I feel that tired, lazy feeling, I should stop and ask myself, am I tired or am I done?
Yes, that's the key question.
And if the answer is I'm just tired, then I should try to do just one more small thing. Just push a tiny bit further.
And then you can enjoy your rest so much more afterward. You end the day feeling proud and accomplished, not lazy and full of regret.
Wow, this was a really good chat. I honestly feel more motivated. I'm looking at my messy desk right now and I'm thinking, I can just organize the pens. That's a small step.
I love that. See? It's already working. It's about building that muscle of finishing things. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
I feel like I might even go clean my kitchen sink after this. Maybe. No promises.
Well, that's a great idea for our listeners, too. We have a question for all of you watching and listening today.
Yeah, we want to know, what is one small thing you will finish today? It can be anything, big or small.
Maybe it's learning one new English phrase, or washing one dish, or sending one important email. Let us know in the comments below. We would love to read your answers.
And if you liked this conversation, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Hub for more real English conversations every day. Thanks so much for joining us.
Keep learning, and remember, don't just stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.